welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, we are going to answer a question that came in Mathematics Paper 1 for 2020. So this is a question coming from the topic approximation. The question reads, Chialwa estimated the length of a string as 15 centimeter if the true length of the string was 14.6 centimeter. Find the absolute error. So we are going to start by finding the absolute error. So first thing, we need to take note of the formula that we can use to find the absolute error. So we are starting with our question A. So how do we find the absolute error? So to find the absolute error, we need to use a formula. Now here, we need to check what you have been given. Okay? So in this question, we have the true value and the recorded value. This is what you have been given in the question. So we are going to write our question A. So we are finding the absolute error equal to. So open bar, we say recorded value minus true value. Now when you read the question, we are saying Chiarwa estimated the length of a string as 15. So this 15 is the recorded value. If the true length of the string, they have even told you that if the true length of the string was 14.6, so this 14.6 centimeter is the true value. Find the absolute error. So we are just going to substitute. We say absolute error is equal to 15 minus 14.6. So these bars, it's a modulus. They show the absolute value to be a positive number. Okay, these bars that I'm putting here. So I'm going to write absolute error is equal to. Now here, you can arrange. Okay, remember this is paper 1. So in paper 1, we don't use a calculator. So you can write 15.0 minus 14.6. You can arrange like this. So 0 minus 6 is can't you borrow a 1 from 5, remain with a 4. So 10 minus 6, it's a 4 point. 4 minus 4, it's a 0. So we are getting an absolute error of 0.4. So you can say therefore absolute error is equal to 0.4 centimeter. So this is our answer. Now, in the case where if they have just given you the true value without the recorded value, you can still find an absolute error by looking at if the number they have given you, if it's a whole number or a decimal number. If it's a whole number, you just say you find the least unit of measurement, which is a 1 for any one number. If it's a decimal number, for example, if it's having one decimal place, the absolute error will be 0.01. If it's having two decimal places, 0.02. So we have answered our question A. Let us now answer our question B. So we need to find the relative error. That is our question B. So how do we find the relative error? So to find the relative error, it's also very easy. So we are going to say relative error. Okay, so we are going to say relative error is equal to absolute error over the true value. So we write relative error is equal to the absolute error we have found is a 0.4 over the true value was 14.6. Okay, now from here, what are we going to do? We can't divide nicely if you have the numerator as a decimal number, the denominator as a decimal number. So we need to get rid of the decimal point by following how many decimal places the numerator have. In this case, 0.4 has one decimal place. So to get rid of the point, we are going to multiply by 10. Even at the bottom, we multiply by what? By 10. So 0.4 times 10, this will be a 4 over 14.6 times 10. This will be 1 4, 6. So here we can now divide. Okay, we can look for the number that can go into 4 and 146. Okay, so we can say 2 here, it's 2. 2 into 14, it's a 7. 2 into 6, it's a 3. So we have 2 over 73. Okay, we have 2 over 73. So this is our relative error. Okay, so thank you so much, everybody. We've come to the end of our presentation. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye bye.